Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to integrate Google Calendar with Todoist in 2026. If you want your tasks and schedule to stay synchronized across both platforms, this guide will walk you through the setup process step by step. First, open the Todoist app or visit the Todoist website and sign in to your account. Once you're on the dashboard, click your profile picture and open Settings. Next, navigate to the Integrations section and look for Google Calendar. Click Connect or Add Integration to begin linking your accounts. Now sign in with the Google account that you use for Google Calendar. If prompted, grant Todoist permission to access and manage your calendar so the integration can work correctly. Next, choose which Google Calendar you want to sync with Todoist. You may also be able to select which Todoist projects should appear in your calendar, depending on your preferences. Once the setup is complete, create a task in Todoist with a due date and time. After a few moments, check Google Calendar to confirm that the task appears as a calendar event. If changes don't appear immediately, manually refresh both Todoist and Google Calendar, then make sure your internet connection is stable and the integration is still connected. Finally, review your calendar regularly to keep your tasks and appointments organized in one place and improve your daily productivity. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to integrate Google Calendar with Todoist step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.